No, don't.
Tony, who's gonna win?
I don't know. Probably the brown one.
I don't know what I'm doing, but you're already done.
Automatically goes. Oh,
This is interesting.
oh no.
Wait, how's Belile on top? Belile, oh. Belile, you gotta get up. Crucify him! Crucify him!
Hook his arm. Hook his arm. Hook his arm with your leg.
Now roll.
Roll
that to the side.
Take your leg.
Roll that way.
I don't know. You're helping. That's not fair.
No kidding.
Bad loot right now.
He's not just gonna tap because you're holding onto his chest.
Oh, Belile, why are you considerate?
Wow. He's gonna beat you on. You better get back on the ground, buddy. He's gonna kick your ass on that. Oh!
Was that a slap?
Yo, Tony, move.
Alright, Cat, Belile, you lost.
How?
But he can kill you right now.
Good bear race.
Dude, I don't know if I want to do that because I don't want to get like hurt. He's so big and black.
And black.
I do love scrapping.
Woo!
Has Belile beat anyone yet this year?
Maybe.